Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and if you want to, mute the music right away by hitting the bottom left corner. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Apply. Then decide if you wish to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you wish to change some of its settings, go back to Magic Fluids app. Click on this gear at the top left corner. Select I accept in First Things First pop-up and change wherever you wish to. When you finished, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. Then, after clicking Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Apply again and choose one of the available options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!